why e be say some women una go dey marriage, the man dey beat you, you no go leave am? Na by force? Marriage na ticket to heaven. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about this our beautiful gospel singer wey just Kpeme of recent, so we just Kpeme whether na yesterday or today. So the thing just shocked me when I come dey see so kind write up for wetin really happen. So people wey really know her say e husband dey always dey beat her, say na him make she na him lead to this sick wey she come dey sick wey she take Kpeme. So my people, so the thing really shocked me. Like, if person dey marriage, the man dey beat you, you know everything not dey okay, you no go leave am. Must you dey there until when you come Kpeme you? I no understand. Okay, people wey know this woman now, they talk say not be now this man start to dey beat this woman. They say not be now. Even he get one comment wey I go put for here, more una read by una self. When she talk say he invite this woman make he come sing for am, like as person go carry musician make he come sing for you. He say so when the woman dey there, the girl say when he invite am come, he say not be small war. He say na so your husband dey threaten her for phone. If you no quick come, if you know this, now those kind may be say they jealous. They no go want make their wife go anywhere. If their wife they just come up for us door, begin they call like though they fear. I don't understand. Which kind may be all those ones? Why those kind may they go they meet this kind good women now? Eh? The girl say not be small thing. This that's what the man call. He say even she can't even pick the phone. The woman not even can't feel comfortable again. He say when the woman they go out, she they fear to even want go house. As you can know, say na so this man be. Wetin can make you see there? Why? This woman come dey fear to go house according to the person wey write this thing. He said she was afraid to go house that day. He said so even she can't pick the phone. He said even the man come dey threaten her for phone self. Ha! How you go there with that kind of evil man for us? You can't see until when he can't measure you. This one when this woman die, so they say he beat this woman, he knock her for chest. Now the woman take collapse, they carry her go hospital. This woman come dey like a coma now for 5 days. Now he take Kpeme, so my people. Okay, you can't date this kind situation. You did this kind marriage. You will they sing gospel music. Okay, because you they sing gospel music, now make you don't want to leave your marriage. Me, I don't understand. The man they beat you. Now me they always they talk. If you did marriage, you did this kind marriage. You say the man has also beat. You know they feel use man talk. Now man when not the feel control your temper. You know say that kind of man decrease. I be you know say that kind of man yeah not correct. You don't go leave him. Must you dey there? Let me not understand. Must you dey there? Until when you can't manage you now. As you can't die now, what you can't tell Baba God? You say now your husband they beat you when you see the hard writing for whatever since you not feel leave this man. Marriage na ticket to heaven. If person that voice, they me say you don't go make heaven. I be me I don't understand. Eh? It me say you not go make heaven, my people. If I tell you I say this thing not shocktalize me, I did lie. This woman, no. As I just see her, just like say no, man I can't give you now. Wait, Kpeme this woman. Now wow, my people, oh, not the way person don't go see for this social media. Eh? You dey marriage, you know they happy. You not go live on. You not go live on, my people. Eh? Must you use your head to do am? My people, this one shocked me. Now see make I can't tell you that, my people. More than I me share this video. Maybe people learn. Marriage not be do. If you no work, you go. That's so. You know, say not be your husband. Now be that one. Now wow, my people. Oh. So my bonga people, ma put the video, make una see am and the write up of the person. Thank you. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
That cry you will cry when the saints have gone. Cry now while the saints are still around. The shout you will shout when you heard that the saints have gone. Shout it now while the saints are still around. After rapture, there will be no more mercy. This is the time to ask for God's mercy when the saints are still around. Mercy will not be available when the saints are gone. Grace will not be available when the saints are gone. Mercy and grace will not be available when the saints are gone. Repentance is now while the saints are still around. Repentance is now while the saints are still in the world. This is the time to serve Him in truth and in spirit. Be conscious of eternity. Don't live your life anyhow. Heaven is real, hell is real. Come to Jesus today. Seek Him when He can be found. Tomorrow might be too late. He's knocking at the door of your heart. Let Him in, He's waiting for you. Remember, He will not wait forever. He's available now, Lord. Let Him in, He's waiting for you. Kpeme, minuru na ndisa lawo. Beyuwa, mendiso kanonuwa. Udeigasu, mbigeti, Kpeme, minuru na wali wandiso. Tiayuwa, beyuwa, mendiso kanonuwa. Jesus, mega chota kwa kanuso mageme perengia. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Amen, amen, amen. Amen, amen.